Welcome to Wonderslate. Subscribe to our Telegram channel given in the description to updates and study materials. Topic for today's quiz is Technology Set 6. Question number 1. Hardware devices that are not part of the main computer system and are often added later to the system. Option A. Peripheral. Option B. Clip art. Option C. Highlight. Option D. Execute. The correct answer is Option A. Peripheral. A peripheral device is defined as a computer device, such as a keyboard or printer, that is not part of the essential computer, i.e., the memory and microprocessor. These auxiliary devices are intended to be connected to the computer and used. Question number 2. On which of the following sites can you set up your email account? Option A. www.linux.org. Option B. www.gre.org. Option C. www.sevum.com. Option D. www.hotmail.com. The correct answer is Option D. www.hotmail.com. Formerly called Hotmail, Windows Live Hotmail, is one of the most popular free online email services provided by Microsoft. Hotmail is a webmail service and users access it from any web browser anywhere in the world with an internet connection, provided the username and password to access the Hotmail account is known. Question number 3. The main computer that stores the files that can be sent to computers that are networked together is Option A. Clip art. Option B. Motherboard. Option C. Peripheral. Option D. File server. The correct answer is Option D. File server. In computing, a file server is a computer attached to a network that provides a location for shared disk access, i.e. shared storage of computer files that can be accessed by the workstations that are able to reach the computer that shares the access through a computer network. Question number 4. A coating of dust on a computer's main circuit boards has this probable consequence. Option A. Overheating. Option B. Short circuits. Option C. Slower hard disk. Option D. None. The correct answer is Option A. Overheating. A coating of dust on a computer main circuit boards has this probable consequence on overheating. Question number 5. What are the two terminals of a diode called? Option A. Pentode and triode. Option B. Gate and drain. Option C. Drain and source. Option D. Anode and cathode. The correct answer is Option D. Anode and cathode. A diode is the simplest two-terminal unilateral semiconductor device. It allows current to flow only in one direction and blocks the current that flows in the opposite direction. The two terminals of the diode are called as anode and cathode. Question number 6. A DV camcorder is Option A. Capable of creating video in HD TV. Option B. Used to create digital video. Option C. Limited to the direct video format. Option D. A Denon video brand product. The correct answer is Option B. Used to create digital video. DV is a format for storing digital video. It was launched in 1995 with joint efforts of leading producers of video camera recorders. Some cameras at the time had the ability to switch between DV and HDV recording modes. Question number 7. In which decade was the first solid-state integrated circuit demonstrated? Option A. 1950s. Option B. 1960s. Option C. 1970s. Option D. 1980s. The correct answer is option A. 1950s. On September 12, 1958, Jack Kilby demonstrated the first working IC while working for Texas Instruments, although the U.S. Patent Office awarded the first patent for an integrated circuit to Robert Noyce of Fairchild. Question number 8. How can you catch a computer virus? Option A. Sending email messages. Option B. Using a laptop during the winter. Option C. Opening email attachments. Option D. Shopping online. The correct answer is option C. Opening email attachments. The main source of viruses is what is known as embedded HTML code, which is incorporated in the source code of an apparently normal web page. The user's machine is infected with the virus merely by visiting web pages which have either been designed to include or infected by these HTML macros. It is therefore essential to remain very vigilant with regard to the files you are sent. The best solution is to follow some basic security rules. The first is never to open an attachment which comes from an address that you don't recognize. Question number 9. How many terminals does a BJT have? Option A. 1. Option B. 5. Option C. 4. Option D. 3. The correct answer is option D. 3. A bipolar junction transistor, BJT, has 3 terminals connected to 3 doped semiconductor regions. Question number 10. Google, www.google.com, is a option A. Search engine. Option B. Number in math. Option C. Directory of images. Option D. Chat service on the web. The correct answer is option A. Search engine. Search for information about someone or something on the internet using the search engine Google. Question number 11. What is a BJT? Option A. Bit junction transfer. Option B. Bipolar junction transistor. Option C. Bell-jar transformer. Option D. Back junction transformer. The correct answer is option B. Bipolar junction transistor. Bipolar junction transistor, BJT, is a semiconductor device constructed with 3 doped semiconductor regions, base, collector and emitter, separated by 2 p-n junctions. Figure 1. The p-n junction between the base and the emitter has a barrier voltage, V0, of about 0.6 V, which is an important parameter of a BJT. Question number 12. Which is not an Internet protocol? Option A. HTTP. Option B. FTP. Option C. STP. Option D. IP. The correct answer is option C. STP. Short for Spanning Tree Protocol. STP is a networking protocol first designed by Radia Perlman. It creates a single path over a network, preventing any loops from occurring, even if there are multiple paths to the same destination. Question number 13. Which of the following is not a valid domain name? Option A. www.yahoo.com. Option B. www.yahoo.co.uk. Option C. www.fr.yahoo. Option D. www.yahoo.fr. The correct answer is option C. www.fr.yahoo. Question number 14. Which of these is not a computer? Option A. Aptiva. Option B. Macintosh. Option C. Acorn. Option D. Paseo. The correct answer is option D. Paseo. Question number 15. WWW stands for option A. World Wide Web. Option B. World Wide Wares. Option C. World Wide Wait. Option D. World Wide War. The correct answer is option A. World Wide Web. The World Wide Web, commonly known as the web, is an information space where documents and other web resources are identified by uniform resource locators, which may be interlinked by hypertext, and are accessible via the Internet. Question number 16. Another name for a computer chip is option A. Execute. Option B. Microchip. Option C. Microprocessor. Option D. Select. The correct answer is option B. Microchip. An integrated circuit or monolithic integrated circuit is a set of electronic circuits on one small flat piece of semiconductor material that is normally silicon. Question number 17. What are the three main search expressions or operators recognized by Boolean logic? Option A. From, to, whom. Option B. And, or, not. Option C. Search, keyword, text. Option D. And, or, but. The correct answer is option B. And, or, not. The three most commonly used Boolean operators are and, or, and not. On the web, Boolean operators are used in advanced searches to combine search items. For example, an AND operator between two words, football and television, tells the search engine to find documents that contain both of these words. Question number 18. AOL stands for option A. Arranged outer line. Option B. America Overrun. Option C. Audio Overrun. Option D. America Online. The correct answer is option D. America Online. AOL is a web portal and online service provider based in New York City. It is a brand marketed by Verizon Media. The service traces its history to an online service known as PlayNet, which hosted multiplayer games for the Commodore 64. Question number 19. Which of the following is not a programming language? Option A. Basic. Option B. Java. Option C. Turing. Option D. C#. The correct answer is option C. Turing. Despite the model's simplicity, given any computer algorithm, a Turing machine capable of simulating that algorithm's logic can be constructed. The Turing machine was invented in 1936 by Alan Turing, who called it an A-machine, automatic machine. Question number 20. Which of the following is not a method of accessing the web? Option A. ISDN. Option B. Modem. Option C. CPU. Option D. DSL. The correct answer is option C. CPU. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like practice this quiz, then download the Wonderslate app now. Link in the description below. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.